go to your default tray, right? Right now I just have these three. I want to reuse some of this information, so why not just duplicate one of them, right? Let's go here and use A2 to duplicate it. Here's page 5. I'm going to double click to activate that sheet. I'll call this A3 Kitchen Perspective. Okay, now it looks just like the elevations, no problem. We'll select what we don't need and get rid of it, right? Now again, if I grab this model view, I drag it around, you can see the only thing that's connected to it now are the labels and dimensions. It's pretty neat that way. We don't need that or this. So I'll get rid of that. Okay, now this is our frame here and this is our model view. Remember, this is clipped already, so if we release the clipping mask, we can select the model view. And this is going to be kitchen perspective. So let's do it like this so you can see what I'm selecting. Here's scenes. We're going to use kitchen perspective. Now remember, the way that you save your model views in SketchUp, again, depending on the properties you have selected, you'll save it with the particular style. But look at this. If I right click, I can actually change the style, right? So if you wanted to do let's say some kind of presentation style, right? Think about the styles that you've created. Maybe it's not appropriate because it's showing sections or whatever, but I think this is pretty handy because it really allows you to change your mind about how you want to present the model, whether it's going to be in full color like this or whether you're going to use it as it was originally intended, right? Now again, this is not to scale, so what you want to do is think about how much of the model view you want to show, are all the key features there that you want to see, and again, keep in mind that you can actually edit this 3D view, right? So let's just say right now that this is about the size that I want. Okay, I'm going to have to crop it at the top there a bit, so for that I'm going to use my graphic here, and you can see I made the model view larger than I needed it because then I'm going to use the frame to crop it. Let's say like that, right? And shift select to capture that model view, right click and create clipping mask, and there we are. Again, you want to update the drawing title, this here. For perspectives, all right, just use NTS, not to scale. Okay, perspective views and anything else that's not to scale should be indicated that way. And I'll just call this kitchen perspective. Okay, well guys, this pretty much covers all the different types of views that we'll be creating, right? And I realize that we still have the bath elevation and the bath perspective, but based on what I've shown you here with the kitchen, I'm pretty sure that we can recreate that. The only thing that's left now is our elevations, right? Let's take a quick look at that.